Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and running the first diagnostics. Reboot the modem and router now. Power cycling clears temporary faults. While they restart, connect a laptop via Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi issues and run ping 8. 8 to verify external reachability. Make sure to note modem LED patterns and any ISP outage alerts. Once done, log into the router, add its IP to check WAN status, firmware version, and device list. Those details guide every next decision. Once you've isolated the connection, dig into configuration. Verify WAN type matches ISP, DHCP/static/PPPoE, set reliable DNS, ISP or 8, and confirm MTU settings to avoid fragmentation. Make sure firmware is current. Upgrade during low usage windows. If problems persist, bypass the router by connecting a device directly to the modem to determine whether routing or modem is at fault. Run traceroute to the troubled host and save latency and hop data. You finish by applying fixes and validating stability. Reset the router to minimal stable settings, then re-enable features like NAT, firewall, and Co-S one at a time while monitoring. Use known good Ethernet cables and an alternate modem or gateway to eliminate hardware faults. If the issue remains, contact your ISP with modem logs, WAN status, and traceroute output. You've already collected the evidence they need. And remember, always reproduce the failure on a wired device first to separate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.